Up for sale, 1993 GMC Typhoon. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 93 GMC Typhoon. Of course, as you know, low production, 3-year made, just like the Cyclone, the pickup truck. Of course, finished in all white, which actually looks sweet. Brand new tires, just mounted and balanced. We had that done within the last week. 62,000 miles. The interior is mint. Clean truck. Long time owned, actually. I forgot how exactly long it was, but it was longer time, like over 10 years. Let's zoom up here on the ground effect. You see a little scuff there behind where the license plate would go. See a couple little marks because it's that plastic. And then like a little brush right here in the front with a little more of that checking. But I feel like that's common. The ground effects are definitely fragile, so just be very careful when poking around with any of them. Of course, being original sheet metal, it all lines up super nice. And I'm not going to go too crazy in the walk around because, again, it's a 93. But any blemishes that I see, I'll point out. I know this ground effect here kind of is in that fragile state, so I'm not poking around with that. I'm just going to leave that. But everything else on here looks good. I'm going to go ahead and pop the... Well, first off, flash of the interior. Pop the hood. We'll get to the interior after I open the engine. You got your little rod in there. 4.3 turbo. And this is just all clean. This shows that low mileage. Like, look at the firewall. Look at the AC components there. That's kind of my sign. Brake booster cleanliness. It's got MSD ignition on there, which I thought was kind of interesting. But again, just with the exception of that, pretty much looks how I would imagine it to look. You still got the hood insulation underneath, which is intact. And it's smooth running, of course, turnkey because it's fuel injected. And it's got a different exhaust system on it, which sounds kind of nice, actually. As well as two 12-inch subwoofers in the back, which normally I take them out, but it's an SUV. I left them in. If you don't want them in, I'll take them out for you. I have multiple boxes that just sit here. Of course, there's your VIN. No cracks in any of the glass. All the seals are super nice as you go around, stuff like that. Ground effects look good there. You see a little scuff on that one though. And like a little, probably from getting in and out, something like that, I would assume. But it's a rust-free truck. The underneath is no rust. There's no patches. Again, what you would expect for 90 or 62,000 miles. And nice hem in the door here. It's got that sticker. I thought that was neat. I'll show you the door panel. Like I said, the interior is kind of mint, so this all looks fantastic, well maintained. Of course, your leather seats are going to get a little wrinkle to it, but just admire that. That's very nice condition still. There's no rips on it. That seat is obviously nicer. And then the back seat, which really doesn't look like it was sat in very often. And the headliner's mint. It's missing the little dome-like cap, but all that looks fantastic as well. The carpet is clean. There's no rips in the carpet. Zoom back out again. Steering wheel, nice. No leather cracking on it. No dry rotting on top. 62,194 miles. All the gauges work. Except the gas gauge. The gas gauge has been acting up. We just replaced the in-tank fuel pump, and I think that caused it to stop working. So it has a Kenwood radio, and I said it has two 12-inch subwoofers in the back. It does sound pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bucket seats with the console. Of course, automatic with overdrive. And it's just such a neat truck. I never thought I would own one of these. show you the top. You know, nice paint on top, no sun fading, no cracking in the clear. I want to refocus my camera for a second. Okay. You see a couple little marks right on that ground effect there. And then a couple little stone chips in that area. That kind of makes sense. I see a little nick right there. See a couple little right around here. And another one here. I mean, you could touch this up. I just didn't want to because I thought it was kind of honest leaving it this way. And then I will show you. Can I do the gate first? No, I gotta do the window first. Lift that up. There's your two subs. Again, I can take them out if you don't want it. But that looks nice there. It's still got the do not tow in there. Trying to think what else. Just a little bit more that you see there. This really just takes up. I mean, it sounds awesome. And I would play it for you, but I know my phone won't pick it up. Again, a couple little stone chips here. It's going to happen. A couple little on this edge again. I feel like a lot of that makes sense. But it will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to check it out, let us know. 93 GMC Typhoon, finishing all white with black leather interior. Of course, loaded with factory options as well. 3-year production and 62,000 miles. A couple little small nicks there. Brand new tires, you know, just... I felt having brand new tires for something that's probably going to be driven relatively often made sense. You wanted to just get in and go. You know, you don't want to have to do anything like that. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it and then get in for the driving. Thank you. car that's not doing anything, yeah.
Yeah, full to
Yeah, why not?
give it a little gun.
A little goose.
A little spirit, right?
A spirited video. Imagine something like this.
When it was new, you mean?
No,
Back in the day?
but like for towing. A little bigger version of this. Because this is a little, you know, it's kind of small.
Full size, yeah.
Yeah. I gotta take a picture of the manual too. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's still on your wooden table, isn't it?
The manual on a wooden table.
In your front way? The front hall by you? I understand why people like these.
Oh, yeah. We never go in here and turn around.
I was wondering why you were doing that.
It's for something different. What's back there?
I don't know.
Never been going.
Who knows?
Maybe they want to move on.
They could. I'll go on their spaces in a minute.
There you are. Oh, Laura's gonna say that.
Oh, great. They'll probably lock the door.
I'm there, so I'm there.
These seats are comfortable too.
Nice table. Chairs.
I could put that in my backyard. Look at the Mustang.
Jimmy can pull it in and check the AC and everything, okay? At least I'll be able to give it a little gun now.
Yeah, go.
Funny how everything just kicks in.
Yeah. I was talking with Chris about the 32. He says you could drive that baby to California and get 21 miles with a gallon.
Well, the funny thing is, everything is 20 miles on the highway.
I don't think
Unless
so.
it's a semi.
But we're thinking of old cars. I'm not comparing it to that.